Do your text in video looks boring? Don't worry. Today I'll show you how to make dynamic title and cool text animation in Adobe Premiere Pro. Super easy, step by step. First, go to the essential graphics, then create a new text layer. Now type anything you want. Example, welcome to my channel. Then use the essential graphics panel to move it. Raise it or change the font. I will increase my font here and fix the alignment. Then I will change my text style. Double click here and change the font style as your desire. Next, we want to make this text move. Select text clips and go to effect control panel and find position and scale. Now click the stopwatch icon, add 2 keyframes, move few seconds forward and change the position. If I play the video, boom, your text moves. You will move any place you like. If I play the video, you will see the another style. Now add animation style. Now let's make it look cooler. Go to effect panel and search for something like slider. Now you will see all the slide effect. Use one by one and play it. If I add past, you will see a pass effect. Then I'll add a slide. Now I will learn very interesting effect. It's called fade. Search here to fade. Delete the previous effect. Now you will see 3 color here, like green light, magenta light, yellow light. You will try it one by one. I'll drag it, the fade fill up on the text and play the video. Now I will apply fade in left. Then I will apply fade in right. Use one by one. In this time I will change the color like magenta light. Now you will see the color has changed. In this time I will use yellow color. Now we will learn add background shape. To make it pop more, let's add a background. Go to graphics panel and add a new rail to a rectangle shape. Put it behind the text. Then fix the alignment of the shape and change the color like orange. And change the roundness corner for the style. Now your text looks more professional. Finally, if you want it even faster, use the text animation preset. You can find free ones online or use the built-in ones in Premiere Pro. Like I'll drag the slide down effect. Then I'll drag slide out effect. Then I will try slide left in and out. That's it. Easy way to make dynamic text in Premiere Pro. Try it today and level up your videos. If this helped, like the video and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting editing tips.